Let's get you set up and get your first win in the next 3 minutes. First, you need Claude Desktop, not the website, the desktop application. If you don't have it, pause this video, go to claude.com, download, install it, and come back. Then open Claude Desktop and log in with your corporate email and click the Cowork tab in the middle. This is where everything happens. Click Work in a folder. I've got a demo folder set up. Inside, there is an inbox with a bunch of messy files, competitor analysis, outreach template, campaign metrics, random screenshots, stand-up notes, team meeting notes, 6 files, no organization. Sounds familiar, right? Quick note on this dropdown model selector. Use Sonnet for everyday work. It's fast and doesn't burn your usage quota. Switch to Opus for heavy-duty analysis, like reviews 50 pages reports. Deep researches for everything today. Sonnet is perfect. So let's do something real. Here is my prompt. Pause and copy if you want. Look at all the files in the inbox folder, read each to understand what it contains, organize them into logical subfolders inside the output folder based on content type. Create a changelog listing every file you moved and why. Rules: don't delete anything, use clear folder names. If a file doesn't fit a category, put it in a MISC folder. So let's go. Watch the right side. There is a progress block that contains all the steps that Claude planned to do with the status. So you always see the actual planning steps or like what's going to be next on the list. You can also click this plus button to ask a question or recommend a change. So let's wait for Claude to finish this task. We can see that it's checked all the files, then get a full picture of the files inside the folder, copied all the files to the outputs folder, and create a changelog file showing like what has been done, what files moved, with a file name and the reason why he did it. So let's open the actual folder and we can see in the output folder, there is a campaign data folder, meeting notes. He put like some drafts and random screenshots in MISC folder, research strategy templates. This is a content-based organization. For example, if I name CSV file like untitled spreadsheet, Claude would still put it in the right folder because it reads what's inside. So we can see like we have all our messy files organized in a structured way, clean and logical. So that's your first win. One prompt, 6 files, complete audit trail. Let me show what's actually happening under the hood.